Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking. If today is your first time here, you're highly welcome. And to my returning, thank you guys so much for always coming back. Thanks for the support. I really appreciate you guys. If today is your first time here, I'm by name Risika. Here in this channel, I talk about my life journey as a maid in Saudi Arabia. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Yes guys, I believe you saw the title of this video. Guys, I'm so happy. I'm just here today to say a very big thank you to you all. Thank you all for the love and the support in this channel. Like, you guys made this happen. You guys had the reason for this success. I say a big thank you to you all. Thanks for the support. Like, you guys have really, I don't really know how to appreciate you guys, but God will surely bless each and every one of you abundantly for me. Like, I really appreciate you guys for the support, for your support in this channel. You guys have really done a lot for me. Like, who am I? I don't really know. Like, you guys don't really know who am I. Like, just come across this channel on this YouTube platform, but you guys decide to help me, and the support is always there. You guys always come back to watch my channel. And if today is your first time here, thank you. Please join this amazing family and keep the support going. Thank you guys so much. Yes, our channel has been monetized. I'm so grateful. I don't really know how to appreciate you guys, but just know that your support is really appreciated by me. Like, I really appreciate you guys. Like, I don't think that maybe this will happen now, but you guys made it happen now. I really appreciate you guys. God bless you all. Like, I don't know, I've been planning to do this video, but I don't really know how to express my happiness, like express my joy to you people. Like, you guys have did amazing thing for me that I can't pay you back. I can't pay you all back, but God will surely pay you guys back. Thank you so much. Like, I really appreciate your support. Like, I really appreciate it. I appreciate your advice. Like, I've really received so many advice from you people, like the encouragement on how to keep moving, not to give up, especially about this work. You guys made this happen. I really appreciate you guys. Like, it's not really easy. It's not what I should have been able to do myself, but you guys helped me do this. Even when I thought of giving up, so many of you out there encouraging me not to. Like, thank you so much. You all know yourself. If I should begin to mention name, like, this video will be so long, and I don't want to make the video so long. I just want to make it a short video. You all know yourself. Like, I really appreciate you guys. Just know that I appreciate you guys, and please keep the support coming. Just know that I'm always here, and I'm always here to take correction from you guys. Thank you so much. And if you're watching this video and you've not been monetized, and you're looking forward to that, keep believing in yourself, be consistent, keep dropping content, and stay away from negative people. Yes, stay away from negative comment. Don't allow negative comment to weigh you down or to make you feel so bad, or you think of giving up. No. Yes, we all know here in this YouTube street, there you come across many people. As you meet the positive people that will impact you, that will impart knowledge on you, that will encourage you to keep moving. So also you meet negative people that will tell you you can't do this, or they will make you feel so bad as you are not capable of what you're doing. But don't allow negative comment to weigh you down, and don't be harsh to negative comment also. Yeah, like, people may come to your comment box and drop you comment like, you are not capable of what you are doing, or you are not doing this well, why don't you just sit down? Don't allow that to weigh you down or to make you feel so bad. Just tell them, always be positive, believe in yourself, you can do it, and with the positive people you have around you, that they will help you do this, and you will be monetized soon. So don't allow negative comments to weigh you down. Even if you receive negative comment from people, always appreciate it. Tell them thank you. Show them love back. Don't be harsh on them also. Like, some people might try to know the type of person you are. Maybe if they should subscribe to your channel, maybe your comment back to them will show the type of person you really are. Don't they always show people that their negative comment has no impact in you, and you don't feel bad about it. Keep moving. Always focus on the positive people you have around you. Yes, like we many of us have come across positive people that has impact on us. Like, and in this YouTube again, I've come to learn that it's not only people you are being related with blood, or family that you are related with blood, that can impact positively in your life, or that will help you out there. There are many people, thousands of people that you've never come across. You don't even know them physically, but here in this white streets, they will help you in a way that you'll be surprised, like, what? Yes, I've come across many of them, and you all are so amazing. I really say a big thank you. Like, I'm so sorry if you feel bad that maybe I don't mention your name. Like, names are too many for me to mention. Like, if I should mention name, I might end up missing so many people name. But you all know yourself. If you've in any way support this channel, even if you've clicked into this channel and watch video for a second, I say a big thank you. Like, you are part of this success. You make it happen. I can't do this all alone. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for the love. Thanks for the support. Like, you don't know me, you don't know the type of person I am, but just see me here in this YouTube. But you guys all decide to help me and be there for me always. Once I drop a video, you support me, watch my video, encourage me, drop and you all drop a nice comment on my video. I say a big thank you. Like, I don't really know how to appreciate you all, but God, it's only God that know how I feel in my heart. Like, I'm so happy and I'm so grateful to you guys. Thank you all so much for the love and support, and please keep the support coming. And thank you all so much that used to share my video on your community tab. I say a big thank you. Like, I don't really know how to appreciate you all. Like, the love is just so much. Even at times when I just decide to rest and not dropping videos, some of you will send me email on my Instagram, why haven't you been dropping video? Thank you so much for the love. Like, I feel so grateful. Like, oh, there is people out there that even still remember me, like, that even know that I don't drop video on my channel for a week. Thank you guys so much. Please keep the love coming. I really appreciate you guys. Like, this is just a short video to appreciate you guys. Like, I don't know, even if I don't know how to express myself, like how happy I am for this to happen. Like, I don't know how to expect this so soon, but you guys all made it possible now. Thank you guys so much. I say a big thank you. Like, I don't really know what to say. I'm just so happy. But thank you guys. I really appreciate you. Please keep believing in yourself. Be determined. Don't lose hope so soon. Don't think of giving up. Yes, I know there are just sad time in YouTube. You just feel like giving up, especially when you post a video after how many hours you'll be seeing 2 views, 5 views. You feel like, can this how will you keep moving on this? Maybe you feel like giving up. Please don't give up. Keep believing on yourself. You can do it, and we will all make it here in this YouTube. So keep believing in yourself. Don't give up. Thank you guys so much. Please, if you are watching this video and you've not subscribed to this channel, please do that now. Subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it out. Thank you guys so much. See you in my next video. Bye.